settle down my camp. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's the last day of 2018 and I'm so excited about it. This year has been a fantastic year for me, for Navy, for us. We're having just amazing time. And let me show you where I'm sitting right now. It's 3 o'clock right now and we are sitting at this location, which is Harbour. Yeah, there's so many tents here. So because Sydney is so much renowned for its fireworks, and we decided that we really want to see, because it's our first year, we really want to see fireworks here. We reached here at 10 o'clock, although we had tickets, but we wanted to make sure that we get a good view here. And yeah, and there's so many people. This tent is there's so many people sitting in shade. We did a good job basically. So let me show you. And that particular location, the Opera House thing, is already full. Weather has been nice today. It will gonna be rain, we are not so sure, but we have this huge umbrella with us. Anki, who is one of our friends, did all this setup, which is so sweet of him. There would be some fireworks at 9 o'clock and there would be some fireworks at 12 o'clock, and I am so excited. Hi guys, I am having super fun. It's completely packed place. People are not allowed. That's the restaurant, so I think it's on reservation. It's around $800 ticket over there, and we're sitting here. I'm so excited. And they're setting up DJ, and it's completely packed. We had some good lunch because it was allowed before 3:30, so we could enter the restaurant, but now we cannot anymore because it's all for the reservation. Anki, are you excited for fireworks?
Fireworks is such a beautiful spot over here.
I know.
You can't get the view better than this.
I know.
Right?
I know. And he's the one who set up everything. All umbrellas, all chairs. Thank you. You did a good job. Thank you so much. Oh, he's a darling. He's a darling. Yeah, he's a darling. Are you darling?
I am darling. And she's my best friend over here. Hello guys. Wish you a happy new year in advance.
Definitely. Yes. I'm gonna wish you a little later. Maybe? Maybe? Are you having fun? Anshu, are you having fun? Are you having fun? He got conscious. It's crazily raining here. It's 7:30 right now, and Navy's enjoying. And it's crazily raining here. Everyone is an umbrella. We got a huge umbrella thanks to Anki. Sydney weather. It will make you crazy.